Hey everyone, it's Kenny here with the Parker Real Estate Group at Huff Realty. And today I am at 8724 Sentry Drive in Florence, Kentucky. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. This is a tri-level here in the heart of Florence. Okay, just minutes from restaurants, shopping, and the interstate. You can see the beautiful layout here behind me. This is 2-car garage. One of the best things about this, low Boone County tax rate plus no HOA. So if you're looking for a 3-bedroom home, this needs to be on your list today. You can come out here between noon and 2 to see it, or you can just give me a call at 859-393-4879. Or you can drop me a line at kennys@nkyhomes.com. But I'd love a chance to show this to you. Listed at $315,000, and with a full price offer, there is a $5,000 carpet allowance that's being offered. Hey, I'd love to show this home to you.